Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add screen time up limits on the iPhone. So today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but you have another iPhone, doesn't matter because it's all going to work the same on all the iPhones. So if you want to add some up limit or screen time, you want to go to the settings and then go to the screen time, and then you can set the up limits. So as you can see, by clicking into this, you can add the limit to the app, and this is going to bring you the categories, but also you can go to, for example, games and all, or you can just go into and select below the categories. So in the entertainment, for example, you can select, let's say YouTube, let's say podcasts, let's say maybe, yeah, in the entertainment is going to be okay. In the games, we do not have games. On the social, let's take TikTok and maybe that's all. And also, let's say in the travel, or maybe not, maybe in the creativity, I want to turn down the DJI Fly. So you can choose the apps. You can also search for the app right here. So let's say I want to search for, as you can see, Basis app, and click add. And this is going to be apps that I have added to the limits. Let's click next. And as you can see, you can add these apps that you have added. You can add a limit, and this is going to be your daily limit. So let's put it maybe to 1 hour, or maybe not. Let's put even less, 40 minutes per day. And then you can click add. And now, as you can see, this is going to be limited for 40 minutes per day. Also, you can set it to every app that you want to differently. So let's say I want to add only YouTube. Until only YouTube, I'm going to set maybe 34 minutes, because why not? And as you can see, this is going to be only YouTube. So here we have 3 more. Here we have only YouTube. Oh, sorry. And as you can see, this is going to be my up limit. Also, I can turn those limits off. So what is going to happen if you run out of the limit? If you are going to open the app, or maybe I can show you. Let's go, no, screen time, sorry, up limits, and let's go with the YouTube, and let's put it to 22 minutes, and then turn on up limit. And now the YouTube should be locked, because I have, as you can see, I have already reached the limit, so this is going to look like this. So if you wanna now open the app, you can ignore limit, 1 more minute, 15 minutes, ignore limit for today, and this is going to be saved in your up limits also. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!